This has been such a game changer. I love this stuff. It's so moisturizing. Oh, you don't need that much, just a little bit. This goes a long way. It's very creamy and it feels so good. Oh, I've been using this for a few months and I feel like my face has become so much softer and it just looks brighter when I use this. It's not oily at all. It's not sticky. It dries completely clear. This has zero smell to it. It has niacinamide in it, which is amazing for your skin's barrier. A lot of people don't pay attention to that, but this product is so good for that. It also has glycerin in it, which is another product that's just really, really good for your skin. La Roche-Posay is amazing because they don't have a smell to some of their products, and this is completely unscented. I love La Roche-Posay. It's a French brand, and the French really know how to do skincare. So if you're looking for a good moisturizer, this one is amazing. It's gonna moisturize your skin as well as protect your skin barrier, which both of those things are really important, but most of the time you have to buy 2 different products to get the same benefit. This product, you get it all in one. So I highly recommend this product. I use it every day and it's so good. It's such a luxurious feel too. It's got some substance to it, but it's not like a thick cream. It's very lightweight, so this would be a great cream to like put under your makeup. I recommend this product. I think it's amazing and I've been using it for ages and it's so good. This whole brand is amazing. If you're looking for a new moisturizer, this one is the one that I recommend.